Despite naysayers questioning his focus, Travis Kelce continues to rise to the occasion both on and off the field. With his blossoming Hollywood romance with Taylor Swift under the microscope, Kelce residential determined to silence critics, proving his dominance in the NFL and thriving in his new entertainment ventures. Travis Kelce, star tight end for the Kansas City Chiefs, is no stranger to scrutiny, but in recent months, his relationship with global superstar Taylor Swift has taken that spotlight to new heights. The pair's high-profile romance has been the subject of much speculation, with many questioning whether Kelce's off-field lifestyle has impacted his performance on the gridiron. On his latest New Heights podcast, and with his brother Jason Kelce, Travis candidly addressed these concerns, saying, "If we lose, it's going to absolutely rain down, baby. Just got to keep winning and staying on top." While some analysts and fans point to his busy offseason with Swift as a potential distraction, Kelce's resurgence in recent games suggests otherwise. In fact, Pat McAfee, who joined the Kelce brothers on the podcast, believes Kelce's relationship is more of a boon than a hindrance for the NFL, fueling excitement and viewership. The narrative surrounding Kelce's off-field life has been as vibrant as his on-field heroics. His whirlwind romance with Taylor Swift has captured global attention, with the couple frequently spotted enjoying nights out in New York City. Just last week, they were seen on a double date with Blake Lively and Ryan Reynolds, adding to the endless tabloid fodder. The couple also made appearances at major sporting events like the U.S. Open Men's Final and a New York Yankees playoff game, drawing cameras and crowds wherever they went. This very public romance has been met with mixed reactions from fans and analysts alike. Some view Swift's presence as a positive, bringing unprecedented attention to the NFL and expanding its reach to a broader audience. However, others, like sports pundits Skip Bayless and Clay Travis, have been quick to criticize, suggesting that Swift has been a distraction for Kelce and even attributing the Chiefs' losses to her influence. The criticisms became so intense that Swift chose to skip a Chiefs game against the Chargers last month in an effort to take the media pressure off Kelce. Nevertheless, Kelce bounced back with stellar performances, recording 16 catches for 159 yards in his last two games, helping the Chiefs secure a 5-0 record before their bye week. It's clear that when it comes to football, Kelce knows how to block out the noise and deliver. His resurgence has silenced many of the doubters who had suggested that his personal life was affecting his play, proving that he residential one of the top tight ends in the league. Yet, these concerns about Kelce's focus aren't new. During last year's holiday season, when the Chiefs suffered an unexpected loss to the Las Vegas Raiders, commentators like Skip Bayless were quick to point the finger at Swift. Bayless provocatively tweeted, "Feels like it's about time to call Taylor Swift a distraction." What do you think, Patrick? Andy? How about you, Travis? Other analysts like Clay Travis took it a step further, even questioning Kelce's career longevity and suggesting he should consider retirement. In a now infamous Christmas Day tweet, Travis wrote, "The Chiefs are not a good football team and Travis Kelce looks like he should retire. Either that or Taylor Swift is the Chiefs' Yoko Ono. Maybe both." Despite the noise, Kelce and his teammates, including head coach Andy Reid, brushed off the criticisms. Kelce's ability to separate his personal life from his performance became evident as the Chiefs went on to win the Super Bowl, hoisting the Lombardi Trophy in Las Vegas in February. Swift, once painted as a potential distraction, is now part of the narrative of triumph for Kelce, adding a new chapter to his already storied career. Travis Kelce's life in the spotlight, both as a football star and as Taylor Swift's partner, has sparked a flood of opinions, but Kelce continues to let his actions speak louder than words. Whether he's battling on the football field or facing criticism off it, Kelce residential focused, determined, and resilient. As the Kansas City Chiefs push forward in their season, one thing is clear: nothing, not even a Hollywood-level romance, can knock Travis Kelce off his game.